How to set up account security and your account preference. How to set up your account security and your account preference. So you come to security under the user account section, come to security, and once the page opens up, you'll be able to make changes to your email address, make changes to your password. Okay, you just click on the edit button on the email address row. And you click on that, you provide your email address, then you update. If you want to change your password, you click on the edit button on the password row. And once you click on that, you'll be asked to provide your current password and also provide your new password. Then you update. Right. You can also provide two-factor authentication or two-factor activation. You can activate it. So what this means is that you're telling the system to that whenever you want to log into your account, you will need to provide an extra layer of information so that the system can add that as part of the login credentials. So that it could be your email address, it could be your personal device, maybe an SMS. So once you activate that, you would enable or activate two-factor authentication. If you disable it, you will only be able to use your email and your password as the credentials for logging into your account. All right. So the other area we want to talk about is enabling concurrency. Yeah, when you talk about concurrency, enabling concurrency, you are telling the system to allow signing from multiple devices or browsers. What it means is that you could sign into your account using your laptop. You could also sign into your account on your phone simultaneously once this is activated. But if you disable it, what it means is that you can only sign into your account from one device at a time. Okay, from one device from one browser at a time. So if you're trying to sign in from two devices, when this is disabled, okay, the system will detect multiple signings and therefore would automatically log all the signings, log all account out. Yes, so that's how to actually organize your security. So one of the first things you do is to make sure that your security is intact. Make sure you choose a password that is not that cannot be guessed, not a simple password that you can easily remember but cannot be guessed by another person. Do not use your date of birth or information that can easily be guessed. All right. So we will talk about how to organize your account preference. So click on that. Still under the user account section, you click on preference. Now, this preference allow you to make changes to how the layout of your account looks like. Okay, this is personal to your account. So you can choose your currency, you can choose your language, you can your font family, the kind of font that you want to the system to always accrue to your own account, your time zone, your date format, your time format. All of this you can activate it on your personal account. Show Tor widget. Yes, this Tor widget that we have here. If you want to disable it, this is where to disable it. Just uncheck it and make your changes. Save it. All right. So notification from Nersapp, notification settings. You want to receive news and updates. This is where you do that. You want to receive notification and all of that. You want to receive notification via your phone number or via your email. This is where you do all of that. Now, changes to the layout. Yeah, this is your preference, your layout preference. You can decide to make a fixed header. Okay, this is the header where we have this education level is the header. You notice that as I scroll along the page, the header scrolls with the page. All right, so if you want to make it fixed, I can just click on this. You notice now that the header remains fixed as the page scrolls down. All right, so these are the app layout settings that you can make uh, on your account. So once you make all of these changes and you are done with it as it suits you, you make sure that you always save your changes. Once you save changes, the system will take note of the changes and register it within the system. So that is how to make your preferences to your account.